thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. So we got such a great job, you guys. This is coming from GoFundMe, okay? And as you guys know, I am doing recession-proof jobs because GoFundMe is one of those recession-proof jobs, okay, you guys? They are always going to be around because people are always using them, okay? So, GoFundMe, they have a job that's paying up to $250,000, you guys. It is fully 100% fully remote, you guys. Fully remote, no degree required, just skills and experience. This is one of the jobs where you are going to need the experience, you guys. But if you have gotten the virtual resume rewrite session, you are good to go to apply for this job. Go out, go get that virtual resume rewrite session because that virtual resume rewrite session, you guys, is list all of your pre-written skills and experience. So I am telling you exactly what to say to land this job. So it has those pre-written skills, pre-written experiences. All you have to do is cut, copy, and paste, and you are ready to go, you guys. You guys, jump on this right now because when I tell you it is so good, I absolutely mean that it is so good, you guys, okay? Go get that virtual resume rewrite session and rewrite your resume. Like I told you guys, it is pay in full through PayPal. Pay me later. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session and go rewrite your resume for this job. This job is so good. You can't let this opportunity, once in a lifetime opportunity, get away from you guys. In the virtual resume rewrite session, I am telling you exactly what you need to say with the skills, with the experience, with your pre-written bios. I have even given you titles, you guys. I have given out titles for you guys to utilize and to rename yourselves, okay? Just like these people on my shout outs of the day have done. So let's get to the shout outs of the day. We got Miss Kimmy, y'all. So Miss Kimmy, I don't know what's going on in the nursing field, but a lot of you nurses are switching up, and you're switching up to some big fat money, okay? So we got you, Miss Kimmy, we got you at 181,000. $181,000, you guys. She used to be a nurse. She is now a program manager, you guys, using the skills and experience that I have given her on the virtual rewrite session. She rewrited herself as a program manager, and y'all, she got the job. She is ready to go, you guys. And then, you guys, we have, who is this? We got Miss Sheree, okay. We got Miss Sheree. She is a program manager, you guys. She's a program manager. She's another program manager, you guys. She makes $168,000, you guys. I am so happy for her. And then we got Chadrick, you guys. Chadrick, he now makes $161,000 as a program manager, you guys. He used to work at a a city's transportation authority. I cannot tell you which one, but he used to work there, you guys. And he said he used to be one of the regular managers there. He rewrote his skills. Now he is a program manager, and he is making that money, you guys. He got an offer for $161,000, you guys. Rewrite your resumes and rewrite your lives, you guys. So if you are a worker if you're just tired of working where you are going to need the virtual resume rewrite session for those transferable skills, okay? Rewrite, update your resume, and that is how you are going to land these jobs. If you are a student, okay, use that virtual resume rewrite session. Use all of the skills and experience. It's the experience, you guys, These top companies are looking for someone who has the experience. In the virtual resume rewrite session, I have given you guys all of the experience that you need to land this job, okay? Let's get it. So, the inspiration of the day is I will allow myself and my God to rewrite my story, okay? No matter what you are going through today, you have the opportunity to rewrite your story. Take the pen out of someone else's hand and rewrite yourself. Rewrite your story and rewrite your future, you guys. You allow God to come into your life and to help you to rewrite yourself. Because guess what? Guess who owns the book? Guess who owns the book of your life? And this is from my own inspiration. My God owns the book of my life, and me and him are going to sit down and we are going to rewrite the story of this life because my God wants only the best for me. That's the inspiration of the day, you guys. And that is what I want you guys to use today. In the comment section, I want you to put that my God has the book. He only wants the best for me. So that's the inspiration of the day, you guys. Now let's get into this job because when I tell y'all, this job is so good. It is, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, you guys. So GoFundMe, they are looking for a senior manager of the strategic partnership slash classy. Okay, so you guys can read above, but we're gonna get right into it. Go to the second paragraph. It says, as Classy continues its rapid growth, we are looking to add a senior manager strategic partnerships to our team. Reporting to the VP of Product Marketing and Partnerships, you will focus on strengthening, growing, and managing strategic relationships with key technology systems integrator and consulting partners. You will also grow a team focused on partner marketing and another ecosystems manager. Through our efforts, you will help drive better outcomes for shared customers and accelerate business growth for Classy and its partners, okay? So basically what they're telling you, you are going to be a senior manager, you guys. So even if you have never had any experience managing anything, I do not care, okay? I do not care. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session because in the experience, once you put the experience that I give you guys, and you're going to retitle from the titles that I give you guys, you are going to look like you have had that management experience. I don't care if you don't, okay? The only thing that I care about is you guys landing this job. Get that virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite your resumes. Rewrite your resumes. That is what the virtual resume rewrite session is for. Is to help you to rewrite yourself, reposition yourself for leadership, for management. I don't care if you work at Kroger, okay? I don't care if you work at the Piggly freaking Wiggly, okay? I want you to be able to rebrand yourself as a manager or have leadership skills and experience. That is what I wrote for you guys in the virtual resume rewrite session, okay? So go get that and get to work, you guys. This job is so super simple and it's super easy. But let's get down to what you accomplish. And the virtual rewrite session is pay in full. So even if you don't have it today, if you got $25 today, if you got $25 today, get on that PayPal. Get on my PayPal. It is pay in full. And what you're going to do is you are going to rewrite that resume today and you're going to fill it out and you are going to apply for this job, okay? Because it's that simple. Okay, let's get down to what you would accomplish. It says manage partner marketing and partner ecosystem manager to design strategy to deliver joint demand generation, sales, and customer success programs, design and implement a consistent framework and a cadence of joint planning, field execution, and business review with key partners, understand partner leadership teams and classy goals to drive alignment and shared value between organizations, establish joint pipeline, booking targets and other KPIs, as well as track and analyze performance, work closely with partners, go-to market teams as the primary point of contact for alignment, collaborate with product marketing and internal enablement teams to design and deliver effective solution and release enablement, help negotiate updated partnership agreements, and bring back new opportunities to our partnership business development or product teams, okay? So basically what they're saying is you are going to be helping to manage the team. You are going to be the senior manager. That's why I'm telling you guys to rewrite yourself as a program or product manager using the virtual resume rewrite session. Using that rewrite session, you are going to remarket yourself as a program and project manager. You're going to use the experience that I give you guys. I don't care if you don't got the experience, okay? I don't care. Use that virtual resume rewrite session and land this job because I give you the experience. I give you everything that you need to tell these people, okay? Because this channel is not about just applying for the job. This channel is about landing the job, okay? We're not just applying for fun. We are landing the job, okay? So let's get down to what you bring and what is required of you. Let's go. Okay, it says 10 years of progressive and successful direct sales, channel sales, or partner management experience in previous role, as well as creating strategic programs, experience building strategic and successful joint sales, co-marketing initiative with partners that produce compelling ROIs, deep knowledge of the nonprofit sector, platform technologies, experience selling to and building consistency among multiple stakeholders at strategic B2B tech companies, strong business acumen and experience writing effective business and or sales plan, highly organized with experience managing projects, you guys, or programs. So they are looking for a product manager, you guys. Project program manager, you guys. They are looking for that in this job. Comfortable owning a quota assigned to your book of partners, as well as managing the entire program. You're an expert verbal and written communicator and a compelling storyteller. People love hearing your presentations, reading your emails, briefs, proposals, and enablement docs, and pretty much anything else you pen. So what I want you to do is go back up to the first bullet point of what they require because this is the most important. It says 10 years of progressive and successful direct sales, you guys. Get the virtual resume rewrite session because in this job, they are asking for experience. They are asking you, have you done KPIs? Have you done reports? Have you done everything that you need? Even if you don't have that experience, what I want you to do is take the experience that I give you in the virtual resume rewrite session and use that experience. Use that experience to say that you have done it, okay? Because like I said, this channel is not about applying. This channel is about landing. With the virtual resume rewrite session, you have the experience. You have the titles that I give you that can interchange into this, okay? And you can land this job. All right, it says we're going to go down to a little bit of the benefits, but more importantly, we're going to get to that pay. We're going to get to the pay to see how much they are paying. Let's go. So you guys, they are doing rich healthcare benefits. They're doing a 401k. They are going to do monetary support for new hire setups. They're going to do family planning, a variety of mental and health and wellness program. But y'all, let's get down to the pay because it's the pay that we all came here for, okay? So this job is starting off at $185,000, you guys. $185,000. $250,000 this job is starting off at, and it is going up to 250. $250,000 with equity and benefits. Y'all better rewrite that resume, because in the virtual resume rewrite session, I'm tripping over myself because this job is so good. In that session, I am telling you exactly what you need to say to land these jobs. In that session, I have already given you your skills, your experience, everything that you need is already there for you, you guys. Y'all go get that virtual rewrite session and get to work, okay? Get to work. You guys have such a blessed, amazing, wonderful day today, you guys. And make sure this day is productive. Make sure you are actively doing the work to land these jobs. These jobs are not going to fall in your lap. So, y'all, get to work and let's get it. You guys have such a blessed, wonderful, amazing day. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.